Having stylish and functional furniture for your home doesn't have to break the bank. In today's video, I'm going to show you how in one day you can flip and make over a console table that will be perfect for your entryway, or if you want to make a bit of money, sell on Facebook Marketplace. I came across this amazing entryway console table on Facebook Marketplace for $40, and it was an absolute steal. I don't think the seller knew the quality of this piece, or maybe they were just in a hurry. So I scooped it up for $40 and brought it home, and could see that the legs were quite wobbly and not secure enough. So before I get into refinishing this piece, I'm going to tighten all the leg screws to make sure that it is all stable, and then we can get onto the refinishing. The fun and I suppose luck of furniture flipping is sourcing really good quality furniture pieces. And this console table was an absolute gem. It was solid oak, so sanding back that timber top was definitely the right thing to do to highlight that natural green. Using a warm grey was a really good choice because it helped balance out the natural warmth of the timber oak. And I'll link down below a few colour alternatives that you could use as well. Sometimes you might find that if you go for a cooler colour against a warm timber, there's a bit of a clash and it's just something feels a little bit off balance. So when you're thinking about colours to use on your furniture makeovers, think about what timber tone you're working with and then what colour might complement that best as well. So without further ado, let's get to the reveal. It really is incredible what you can achieve in one day. In total, this flip took 4 hours and I spent $71 in total. I ended up selling this on Facebook Marketplace for $400. If you're looking to add style to your home on a budget, furniture flipping is definitely a way to go, and sourcing through Facebook Marketplace is an absolute gem of a treasure trove for furniture pieces. So I hope you enjoyed this makeover and I'll catch you in the next video.